Okay, eighth graders, we're gonna do some more practice, how to write an equation when we're given 2 points. There are 3 different things that we have to know to do these problems. The first is that we have to know that slope-intercept form looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. Point-slope form looks like this. And then our slope formula is our last thing, and I'll tuck that in here, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, in the first set of problems, your only job is to write this in point-slope form. Okay? In the second set of problems, you need to write it in slope-intercept form. So this is the y equals mx plus b form. So as a little gift, I'm going to do a couple of these together with you. So we'll start here. The first thing you need to do is find your slope, because you can't write either equation without your slope. So our slope is y2, so it's going to be 5 minus y1, which is a negative 4, 3 minus a negative 2. Now, if you have a calculator, go ahead and use it. I don't care. I like to add the opposite, so 5 minus a negative 4 turns out to be 9. 3 minus a negative 2 turns out to be 5. Okay, so now you have a slope and you have 2 points. It does not matter which point you use to write your equation. So I'm actually going to do it both ways. If I use the first ordered pair, my answer is going to look like this. Y plus 4 equals 9/5 x plus 2. If I use the second ordered pair, my answer is going to look like this. Y minus 5 equals 9/5 x minus 3. Either answer is acceptable. Okay, I'll do one more with you. Again, first step is to find the slope, x1, y1, x2, y2. Negative 4 minus 4 over negative 1 minus a negative 5. Negative 4 minus 4, get this negative 8. And then here, remember, you're going to add the opposite. So we end up with a negative 1 plus 5. So that's going to give us a positive 4. And so this reduces to a negative 2. So your job here is just to write it in point-slope form. First one, I'm going to use this ordered pair. So I can have y minus 4 equals negative 2 times x plus 5. So this is one possible answer. And then my other answer is going to be y plus 4 equals negative 2 x plus 1. Remember, they're always the opposite. If it's a negative coordinate, they go in as addition. Okay, so our next step, so these equations, you have to find the slope and then use one of the points to write it in point-slope form. Down here, you have to find the slope and then put it in point-slope form and then put it in slope-intercept. So there's 3 steps to this. So the first step is the slope. Negative 3 minus 2 over 4 minus 0. x1, y1, x2, y2. Negative 3 minus 2, 4 minus 0. Our slope then, this turns out to be on negative 5 over 4. Okay, I always try to go for the easier of the 2 points. Sometimes with the 0, it does make it a little bit easier, so let's try that one. Y minus 2 equals negative 5/4 x minus 0. The first thing we're going to do is distribute this 5/4. That's what we were doing on Monday. Negative 5/4 x, negative 5/4 times negative 0 is just 0. Okay, last step is to move this 2 to the other side by addition. And I'll just write my answer over here. Y equals negative 5/4 x plus 2. You could have used the other point and you would have gotten the same answer. It doesn't matter. So there, we just did 3 problems together in just a little over 6 minutes. Do your best, show your work, because then I can see where you're making mistakes. And then this will be due tomorrow.